Welcome to the second day of 12 days of photo organizing secrets. Today's secret is treasures. Who knew that when you organize photos, you could find a treasure? Now, it's not always in valuable assets like gold or things like that, but it could be the confirmation of a family story or a picture of someone that you never knew what they looked like when they were little. My name is Molly, and I've been helping people organize their photos for years. We have seen bins and buckets and suitcases of photos, and there is always interesting things to be found. Memorabilia, old newspaper articles, and whatnot. When you think about treasures, there's also the things that are complete opposites of treasures. Like I know one box we had a set of dentures in it, and even my grandma had this fantastic suitcase of memorabilia and photos from her time before being married. She was a nursing student, so I found her diploma for graduating with becoming a nursing assistant. And I also found some of her medical equipment. Like, Grandma, what were you think about saving something like this? So that's the interesting things that you find that make a good story at the family gatherings. Now, in terms of treasure, these things could include coins. We definitely have come across coins in photo collections. Here's a couple pictures. The second one is a gold coin. It's $1.50, and it was found in an old-fashioned scrapbook in a little holiday card, and I think the date was 1931 maybe. And the gold coin, we looked it up, the value is over $250, but really it was priceless. This was given to the client's mother by her grandmother during the Great Depression. It was quite an important gift. Now, another thing that you could find is like the pictures or documents that help you complete the family story. So my grandma and grandpa bought a key property in the town where I grew up in the 1960s. And I always would tell people my grandparents owned this corner, but I never had any proof of it, even to this day. Well, a couple years ago, I came across this photo in my mom's basement, of all things, and it's of her and her 3 siblings in front of the family farm. It's a great picture. And then a year ago, my mom gave me some documents, and she had in there the plot of the property that my grandparents purchased with a picture of that farm and the barn on it. All of a sudden, now I had the proof that my grandparents owned that key intersection in my hometown. I was so excited. It's a treasure that means a lot to me now. I've been talking about the physical things that need to be organized, the treasures you can find in there, but there are digital treasures to be had as well. We've had this digital technology over 2 decades now, so you could have some old cameras or video recorders that have something on them. My dad took video with a digital video camera back in around 2001 to 2005, and I forgot about that, but he had saved those digital files on his computer. And after he died, I got a copy of them, and I could see my daughter as a 4-year-old with a trike that he had bought for her, completely out of my memory, and it was so wonderful to see that again. So you don't know what you're going to find in your pictures. Truly, we collect so many, you could never remember all of the moments that are tucked away waiting to be discovered. So treasures, please think about what could be in your photo collection that would delight you as well as your family members to see once again. That's it for today's secret, and I hope that you'll join me tomorrow for day number 3 of photo organizing secrets. See ya!